thing out of a bath of liquid resin. This is the thing where you take a filament and you squeeze it out of a nozzle and melt it and make an object. It's like a hot glue gun on the end of a robot, except that it took a year to develop a hot glue gun, and the robot's $4,000. It's taken years to develop. The cool thing about FDM is the enormous range of materials you can work in. So you can work in any thermoplastic. So thermoplastics range from the handle of this is a carbon fiber filled nylon, which is one of the highest performance. This is a carbon fiber filled nylon as well. We also have carbon fiber filled polycarbonates. These are what's called TPU, which is a very generic term, but it's a thermoplastic urethane, so it's a soft material. These ones, if you pass them around, these show one of the things that you can do with FDM that you can't do with any other kind of 3D printing. So these are both hollow, but they are completely manifold. So their external surface is completely solid, but they were made hollow, which you can't do with any other process, and their internal structure is different, because with 3D printing you can do that. So even though these are made from the same original model, one compresses in a very different way to the other. So this one compresses very easily that way, but is very firm in that direction, and this one is very consistent in all directions. It's what's called isotropic. So yeah, pass them around. One of the most extreme ends of the range of what's a thermoplastic, this is wax. So it's still a very difficult material to print in, but there's only 2 processes that I know of where people actually print in wax. And this was something we originally didn't think that was possible, and someone made the right kind of wax into the right diameter filament, and we printed this little guy. It's really hard to work with, and in fact actually turned out to be unnecessary, because the normal material we print, the most common material we print in is something called PLA, polylactic acid, which is actually a bioplastic.